Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms in the mountains of North Carolina. Tonight, a little different view, a little different angle of things here at the farm. I'm up here at the studio. It's cold outside. I think it's like 25. I've got the little diesel heater running, which hopefully you can't hear because I can't. And it's working great. This room is nice and toasty warm. Now, anyway, I'm set up here and I've got the radios going. In fact, I've got pretty much all my radios going. I've got the GMRS from Midland there, the MTX 400. I've got a beautiful, realistic 2000 Pro, and that thing is cranking along, and sometimes it picks up some pretty cool stuff here at local. We still have a few stations here that are local fire, EMS, that kind of stuff, dispatch. Then, of course, I got the Striker, which has been converted for CB radio use. And lastly, my favorite, the Radio Shack DX394. It is... somebody's getting pulled over. I'll go ahead and turn that down. So the 394, it gets everything. That radio is incredible. I've got it hooked to the MLA 30 up on the roof, and I can listen to the world, and oftentimes do. The reason that I'm making this video tonight, though, is just to share the other half of what goes on here. I edit about 80% of the videos that you guys come across and watch here, right here, sitting right here, and I have a little TV set. You can't really see it off their side there. Maybe a little bit, that little edge there. So I have it hooked to a TV antenna, and we get to watch a little bit of TV up here too if I want to. That being said, I wanted to talk about CB radio in particular out of all of these. And of course, we heard the scanner go off. If I turn the volume up here. And so we have, some stuff going on in 72 321 there on the ham bands. The CB radio, 38 lower sideband. It's almost always going.
No, it's not on frequency. You're on frequency. You're freaky. Florida at 370 Southern Cal.
Here's Southern California. Break channel, CQDX, CQDX. This is Farpoint Farms, 707 in North Carolina. Trying for it.
Beautiful out here in Riverside County today. I got an earful, but it's just about right. Riverside County, it's about 10 miles from Mark Air Force Base here in Southern Cal.
Incredible. Yeah, you sound like you're next door to me. This is Farpoint Farms. I'm in the mountains of North Carolina, right on the Tennessee line at about 3,500 feet, and you sound like you're next door. Beautiful, my friend. 707 Farpoint Farms. I'll be back on the side. Take care. So, I mean, it's just incredible. CB radio is not dead, I guess is the probably what I should call this video. All the radio bands aren't dead. There are some changes that are going to take place as we roll farther into the future. The demographics of people who are interested in radio as a hobby, well, they're not exactly spring chickens. I might be considered one of the younger members of the community at just a sprightly age 50. But these technologies are still totally usable, totally functional, and totally fun to play with. It's really up to us to ensure that as time goes on, that these technologies don't fade away into total obscurity. The best way to do that is to attend your local ham fests and flea markets and find radios and then pass those along to younger people in your community that might be interested. Because if they never realize these things exist, well, they can never become interested in them themselves. It's not a terribly long video, but I did want to share this because I was thinking about it today. I listen on the radio, and I swear the average age has got to be in their 70s at this point. And while there's nothing wrong with that, there is something wrong with that when their average age is in their 90s, because little by little, we're going to lose more and more of the voices we hear on the air. Till next time, my friends, take care.